Good morning, students. Welcome once again to my English classes. Students, today we are going to begin with a new poem, Macavity, the Mysterious Cat, from your textbook, Honeydew. Macavity. Macavity is composed by T.S. Eliot. Now, T.S. Eliot is the poet of this poem. Now let's learn something about T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot full name was Thomas Stearns Eliot. He was an American British poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic and editor who was born in St. Louis to a prominent Boston Brahmin family. He moved to England in 1914 at the age of 25 and then went on to settle, work, and he married also there. He became a British subject in 1927 at the age of 39, subsequently renouncing his American citizenship. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1948. Now, if we talk about the poem Macavity, Macavity is an immortal creation by T.S. Eliot. He describes him as the mysterious cat, the hidden paw, and Napoleon of crime. T.S. Eliot created the poem after he got inspired by the character of Professor James Moriarty of Sherlock Holmes. So students, now you can see page number 50, the poem Macavity, the Mysterious Cat. Do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is one for sure. What is it? What makes him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. Now see the poem. Macavity's a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So students, this is your first stanza. Now, poet is calling Macavity. Macavity क्या है यहाँ पे? Cat का name है. The name of the cat is Macavity, and he is described as a mysterious cat. He is called the hidden paw because he is obscure to all of us, because he is unique to all of us. Nobody can judge what this cat is. He is described as hidden paw because he does accomplish all the works of crime in complete secrecy. Secrecy means keeping something secret. So this cat is involved in all type of crimes, but in a secret way. किसी को नहीं पता लगता कि how this cat is doing all these crimes. To justify that he is a criminal, he defies laws. Defy laws means to disobey laws. जो नियम होते हैं ये उनको नहीं मानता जो ये कैट है. ही बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो है वो मेल कैट है. ओके. Even the Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard means the headquarters of the London police force. So even the Scotland Yard and flying squad means a group of police or soldiers ready to move into action quickly. So both of them are unable to catch him. वो इतना स्मार्ट है कैट कि these Scotland Yard and flying squads are unable to catch him, and thus McCavity is the reason of failure and होपलेसनेस फॉर द पुलिस एजेंसीज. ये कभी भी पुलिस के हाथ नहीं आता है. इतनी सफाई से ये क्राइम करता है और बच जाता है. वेन एवर देयर इज अ क्राइम डिस्कवर्ड, McCavity is not to be found there. See the last line of the stanza. For when they reach the scene of crime, यानी कि जब पुलिस scene of crime पे पहुंचती है, McCavity is not there, means McCavity is not to be found there at the scene of crime, because McCavity cat is a mysterious cat and he is so smart कि वो एकदम से वहाँ से गायब हो जाता है. Now see the second stanza. McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. So students, in this stanza, again the poet is describing the McCavity. He is saying that McCavity is unparalleled. Unparalleled means he cannot be compared with anyone. He is the unique. He is the unique criminal. He is the master in breaking the laws made by the humans. वो इतना expert है McCavity कि he breaks the laws made by the human beings. He even breaks the laws of gravity with his agile. Agile means able to move quickly and easily, and astounding jump. He makes the other person so surprised, extremely full of surprise. He makes the other person with its jump, and when he jumps, he floats in the air. His powers of levitation. Levitation means floating in the air without support. यानी कि ये हवा में उड़ता है without any support. Would make a fakir stare. यानी कि कोई अगर फकीर जो होते हैं, जो मुस्लिम मॉन्क्स होते हैं, जो मुस्लिम मॉन्क्स यानी कि जैसे अपने हिंदूज़ में साधु सन्यासी होते हैं, ऐसे मोमडन्स में जो मॉन्क्स होते हैं, जो मोमडन्स वाले साधु सन्यासी होते हैं, वो भी अगर उसको देखेंगे तो दे वुड ऑल्सो स्टेयर एट हिम, बिकॉज ही इज फुल ऑफ सुपर नेचुरल एबिलिटीज. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. So again, McCavity is described for its startled way, means he surprises, he alarms everyone. Searching McCavity will give futile result. You may search him in the basement or in the air, but you are not going to find him. Okay, so students, this is the explanation of your second stanza. Do study these two stanzas, and remaining two stanzas we will complete in our next video. And I would also like to add that keep on making your notes in your notebooks, and if you are having any problem, you can ask me, you can call me, you can message me. Okay.